The year was 2010, no? During the ASAP 15 rehearsal. Si Sarah Geronimo, no? Reportedly nag-joke siya kay John Prats. Sabi niya, pag magaling sumayaw, habulin ng mga babaeng sexy. According sa reports during that time, people believe na si Raver Cruz at si Christine Reyes ang nire-refer nito. At ang pinaka-importanting detalye, no, wala si Christine Reyes sa rehearsal. At ito ka na nga, no, nung narinig ng ate mo ang chismis na to, binuksan niya ang Twitter at announced, I am so pissed right now! At hindi siya nagloloko, no, ladies and gentlemen, kasi sinundan to reportedly ng around 6 hours of tweets. 6 freaking hours! You know, at that time, 140 characters lang ang Twitter. And you know what, baby, sabi ni Christine, no, no problem. Gagawin natin tong telenovela right here, right now. She referred to someone as the drama princess. Idol! Reina! Super goody-goody image! At you know what? One point, Christine tweeted, kumanta ka na lang, no? Buisit ka! And you know what, guys? The fascinating thing here is, hindi na dinaretsong pangalanan si Sarah. Walang full name! Pero, no, the clues are nasa ASAP, kumakanta, no? Connected kay Raver Cruz! Mga be, no? Hindi na to blind item. May astigmatism lang to, pero malinaw na malinaw po kung sino po to. And in those 6 hours, no, eventually Christine tweeted, I'm not yet done with you. And alam niyo yung mga tao sa Twitter were like, we know, Christine! It's just episode 7, honey. May Christmas special pa to, no? May recap to sa The Buzz! And meanwhile, no, si Sarah, tahimik lang during that 6 hours of onslaught. You know, there were some reports back then, no, that si Sarah during this time, nagdodota siya. Mid-laner pa nga, no? Main pick niya si Invoker. But, you know, sadly, no, those reports were never confirmed. And eventually, no, Sarah and Christine reconciled. Peace na sila, no? Nag-move on na ang lahat. But, baby, those screenshots, maybe that's not part of the peace treaty, baby. Nandoon pa rin, no? War memorial, no? If you may of the old but golden era of Twitter, no? Ang ganda! Like and follow for more.